Adaptive Performance Center is doing much more than just helping our service members become physically fit. It's also helping them become mentally stronger, as well as creating a sense of community.
I was blown into a light pole. My shoulders were destroyed. My Kevlar was broken.
Eddie Agostana spent 6 years in the Marine Corps and has lived through 2 heavy combat tours to Iraq between '03 and '04. Hitting a roadside explosive, he recalls, was not nearly as painful as the mental anguish he brought back home with him post-deployment.
There was this deafening silence where there was nothing but the sounds of all the things that were going on down there. And all the people that were going on, and then it clashed so harshly with the reality of being outside back home.
Anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress, and a traumatic brain injury weighing heavy on him brought him to an all-time low.
I put the knife to my neck and I try to pull it across.
In the midst of his pain and as a last-ditch effort, he turned for help, seeking refuge in physical fitness. Enter the Adaptive Performance Center, a gym solely dedicated to veterans and active duty service members to help guide those who were once lost, like Agostana, and get them back to better.
Mitch and I saw a lot of holes in services that existed to the veterans. One of the things that we did that really, I feel like, made us stand out from gyms is if we didn't see you for a couple of weeks, you got a phone call.
Karen Peterson, the CEO of the gym, opened the Helena location a year ago. Since opening, they have added 600 plus veterans and active duty service members.
We've grown quite a bit and we've added a lot of things.
Thanks to a $750,000 grant awarded to APC from the VA last week, called the Staff Sergeant Parker Gordon Fox Suicide Prevention Grant. They will be able to add more crucial positions such as therapists and veteran peer support coordinators.
We were able to go from the 4 of us up to 17 employees in 2 locations.
One of those new additions to the staff is Agostana, who, after finding his purpose and community, now serves as the Helena gym manager, doing what he loves, helping other veterans facing the same roadblocks that APC once helped him overcome. In light of Montana having a veteran suicide rate higher than the national average, if you would like to help support the Adaptive Performance Center, or if you know of a veteran that could help use their support, you can always visit their website at adaptiveperformancecenter.org. Reporting for MTN News, I'm Cindy Santafonte.